Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 338 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this LA Colors Brow Lift pencil that I got from the Dollar Tree recently. This is one of the new products from LA Colors at the Dollar Tree. And this is a brow pencil and highlighter. The sharpener is included in the cap here, so I love that. I have this in the shade Light, but this looks dark, so hopefully this will be okay. So I'm going to start out by just swatching each of the colors. So here is the highlight shade. Ooh, this is actually a really pretty highlight shade. It's like a champagne color. And then I'm going to swatch the brow pencil, which is in the shade Light. So I'm noticing if I press down lightly, it can be a light brown, but if I press down harder, it can get very dark. So I'm just gonna have to make sure I go in with a light hand. The one thing about this though, there's no spoolie, and I really feel like I need a spoolie when I do my eyebrows, but that's okay. I could just use one of my separate spoolie brushes or something like that. So I'm just gonna start out by going ahead and filling in my eyebrows. I just feel like I look at myself in the mirror and my eyebrows look so wonky when they're just natural, and I'm so jealous of the people that have just like filled in brows. Mine are so sparse. Wow, this is applying really nicely. I feel like it's gliding on. It has good pigment. But now I'm at the point where I need a spoolie to blend it in. So I'll just use the spoolie from a different eyebrow pencil. Oh, wow. It really does blend in nicely. And I like this color going in with a light hand. I feel like it actually worked out pretty nicely. My eyebrows look defined, they look filled in, they have more of a nice, precise shape to them, or to it, only one brow so far, but wow, look at that difference. Now I'm gonna go in with the highlighting shade and just draw right below the arch of my brow. This is a really pretty highlight shade. I'm very pleasantly surprised. I don't know if that's showing up that well on camera. Try and get in close so you can see that highlight. Wow, this $1 pencil. So basically it's like 50 cents a shade is so good. I love this highlight shade. I would use this like as an eyeliner on my eyes, inner corners, anywhere that I want to add a highlight. This is a great pencil for that. But then I just like this as a general brow pencil too. I like the color, I like the formula. So happy. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my other eyebrow though and come back with my final thoughts. Right before I started filming this, I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I've been doing YouTube for a year now. Like consistently been doing YouTube for a year. I think it was one of my 2018 New Year resolutions because I got a new phone that I was finally able to take videos on because my old phone didn't have like the good camera or a good microphone. So I started out by making videos on my phone, and I didn't buy this Canon EOS Rebel T6i camera until way into my YouTube series. So I made a lot of videos just on my phone. And I remember I got that phone for Christmas and I had wanted to start my YouTube channel for a while, and once I finally got my phone, I started making my videos. And look where I am now. I have this whole setup here. I want to do a video on my whole setup because I have 3 lights in front of me. I have camera stand, I have microphone, I have a backdrop. I've really evolved my setup in this past year, so I want to do a video on my setup and how I've kind of DIY'd a lot of it. But just to think where I was a year ago with my YouTube is so crazy. And that just goes to show, like, if you want to start a YouTube channel, just start it out on your phone. That's all you need. But so yeah, if you have any questions about the setup, anything like that, I'd be happy to make a video about it, answer you in the comments down below, so let me know. Okay, so here is the finished look with my $1 eyebrow pencil and highlighter. I am so happy with the finished look. This is definitely a product that I'm going to use very often, and I am definitely picky about my eyebrow products, so the fact that I think that this $1 product is so good, I think that says a lot. Also, no smudging. I do have long brow hairs, and when I'm touching it, they are kind of staying in place, but I would still want to probably set this with a brow gel, even just a clear brow gel, to make sure that my hairs stay in the right direction, but I'm very impressed that this has great staying power and is smudge proof. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.